Our objective is I can apply the product property to condense or expand logarithms. So what is the product property? The product property is log base b of m times n is log base b of m plus log base b of n. So here if we are to condense into a single logarithm, we have log base 3 of 9 plus log base 3 of 5. So we can rewrite this as log base 3 of 9 times 5, and this will be log base 3 of 45. Now we have log of 6 plus log of x minus 3. So we're going to rewrite this as log of 6 times x minus 3, which is log of 6x minus 18. Then we have ln of 4x squared plus ln of 3x cubed. So we can rewrite this as ln of 4x squared times 3x cubed. And then we just simplify inside the parentheses. So 3 times 4 is 12. Then it's going to be x to the 2 plus 3, which will be ln of 12x to the 5th. Here we have to expand using the product property. So let's rewrite 72 as a product. 72 is the same as 9 times 8, so we can rewrite log of 72 as log of 9 plus log of 8. Now we have ln of 9/10. So we are using the product rule, so we need to think of what's 9/10 if we were to multiply this into, if we wanted to think of two numbers that multiply this. So this would be 3/2 times 3/5. So we can rewrite this as ln of 3/2 plus ln of 3/5. Now we have log base 5 of x squared minus 4. X squared minus 4 is a difference of two squares, so this is x plus 2 times x minus 2. So we can rewrite this as log base 5 of x minus 2 times x plus 2, which will be log base 5 of x minus 2 plus log base 5 of x plus 2. At the end of this lesson, you can now use the product property.